dear friend, once again you are welcome to Resolve for You. This is Rakesh here. In today's class, we will learn about how to animate with the help of keyframing, how to use keyframing and animate our video. In every professional video editing software, you will find keyframing feature, and this is a very useful features. In the DaVinci Resolve, this is a special features, and there are lots of uses, and you can make a very beautiful effect using this keyframing feature. Dear friends, don't miss the class, listen till the end, don't skip, because if you skip the video we will miss the very important part of the video, which will make your video editing very fast and very effective after learning this class. So dear friend, listen till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription, likes and comment motivates me to make more creative video for you, dear friends. Without wasting time, let's jump into Resolve for You. Hello dear friend, now we are in the edit page of DaVinci Resolve 19. Here you can see we have some footage. We have taken one footage from the kindergarten of Devika here. Before starting keyframing, I want to explain you that if you have worked in Premiere Pro before DaVinci Resolve or in Final Cut Pro, in any professional video editing software, there you will find that in Premiere Pro keyframing window is open, especially when you click for keyframing, your special window opens here in this side. But in our DaVinci Resolve, just keyframing opens. You can control keyframing or parameter inside our clips. This class will be very interesting. Listen till the end. I will explain how we will actually control all the parameters of keyframings here in this inside the clip. We have this clip from the kindergarten of the Devika. Devika is here. If we come here in the inspector window, here you see zoom in. We have parameter, position, rotation, angle here, anchor point. If you just if you change the point here, scroll right and left, you see with your mouse you can decreasing. You see I'm going left, I am going right. So you see I am increasing the parameter. In this way you can zoom in, zoom out the parameters. In the same way you can just position, you can X, Y, you understand. X is left, right. You see I am going right now with our left button of our mouse. No, we are going to left. In this way you can left, right, you can do. Here when we click X, Y, I have already explained about this in our last classes. If you haven't listened the class, please see that class. You see up and down. So this we will use today this parameter for our keyframing and animate with the help of keyframing. So now you see here, I just highlight. You see this point. This is a diamond point here. You see here this diamond point here. Everywhere this you will find this type of point here. In the rotation angle, it means you can rotate. Anchor point. You can you change the parameter and just click here and you can animate any of your video. You can crop. You see everywhere you will see this diamond point. Actually this is the keyframing. When we click it, we can start keyframing. So now we will I will explain you how it actually works. So now we have come here. Just example, for example, our video is here. We start keyframing. You see I just click here and here I will just, when the video reaches here, you see our video has reached here. Now what I will do, I will expand the video, maximize. You see here zoom points here I will just maximize. You see I'm maximizing like this. Actually where you see red line here, you see here it means our keyframing is on. Actually when it's red, it means it's a wall. You see it's inactive because it's white here. Diamond point is this diamond point is actually keyframing. So we have added a key point here. Now our video comes here. Here what I will do, here I will again add the key point. Now I will make this video just minimize like this. You see like cinematic view. You see I made this video to cinematic view. Now our video has reached here. Now I want to make this video to full zoom in our default, which was earlier like this. You see in 1.00. You see I have changed the value 1. a 0 0 just you see one. This is our actually this is our earlier value. You can add no, no yes, now it's our 1.00 here. You see here, this is our earlier. Now we have added the three keyframe. Now we see the change in our video. You see video is zooming here. You see oh, now the video has reached you see in full zoom. You can again you can add more point here. I want to add one more zoom here. What I will do, just here I will click, I will switch on this keyframing, and I will make it full. Devika will be here in zoom, here. See, no, Devika is very large. You see Devika is very large. So now we see the effect. Just we start the video from beginning and we can see the effect. You see. You see video is going to zoom. You see like when zooming. You see Devika has become larger here. We have used our zoom effect here, but we have animated with the help of keyframing to this zoom. We have made zoom here. We change the parameters here and switch on the this small diamond, which is called keyframe. Actually, in every video editing, you will find this zoom function. I want to make one more. We use no position and XY, and we try another effect. No, we can use actually zoom in, zoom out, position. We can use this together to make video more beautiful effect. For example, you see, I start my video is start here. Here our value will be 0, means 1.00, position will be 00, y will be xy 00. So we add the keyframing here. We just click on our zoom and position. We see here we have switch on the keyframing. Here we have switch on the keyframing. Now just I start the video. Here what I will do, I will just zoom out. Will zoom the video. You see like this here. So we will do, we will make Devika in the center here. This way I will use like this position and I will make Devika here, you see, and I can shift Devika to just up here. You see, no, Devika is up. So we have made one keyframing here. Now our video play forward. Now what I will do, I make Devika to the little less. You see, I will use zoom in. You see, zoom in like Devika will be here in center. You see, here like cinematic view. And what I will do, this position will be just here. You see, here in the angle. I will make this position Y in the position to up. So you see, we can make up here. You see here. Now our video is here in the like in this corner. In this corner, no. You see. Here what we will do, our position will be, we want to shift our video to in the middle. What I will do, just we will use keyframing. Here you see, because we want to make beautiful effect with this keyframing. Just what I will do, zoom here. I will just clear center, will make this video to center, you see. And now I will zoom up this to full extent. You see. Now Devika will come here. You see, I will just change the X position here to in the center. No, Devika is in center. No, Devika, they are celebrating the birthday of Devika in the kindergarten here. So you know, we will make Devika just add another keyframe here. We will just zoom in. We'll decrease the zoom here, minimize here. Again. You see, position we will in the middle here. We can make more actually. So actually in this way we have added the keyframing. Now we see the effect. You can actually apply such effect on your video or your footage, then you will understand. You say. You see how keyframing we have made. You see, you can understand the effect in the inside the video. You see, now you see again the video is small here, minimize here. Actually, such type of beautiful effect you can add to your clip. Now I will show you more important things. You see here the hair diamond for once I highlight. You see here this point here, two arrow here in this video. I just arrow make here. You see the hair arrow. You see hair arrow in this position. You see here one arrow at the hair arrow. You see this arrow actually. Now I explain what is this. When you just click here, you will go backward. You see here means we have a keyframe. You can in this way shift here. It means here there is nothing, no arrow. It means there is no arrow here next to this arrow. So when we click this right here, now you see one keyframe. See two keyframe. You see three keyframe means we have added three till now. This we have four keyframe. In this way you can shift two keyframe here. In this way you can shift. In the same way in the position, you see here position, you can just go here. We have keyframe. Just here is no arrow. It means keyframe has finished. We have no keyframe. Next, you see here we have keyframe. Here we have keyframe. At this point, you see playhead. Just when I click here, there we have keyframe. So in this way you can understand where we have keyframe in the clip. And one more very important things I want to show you. You see we have one curve here, here one curve, here one curve, and you see here diamond. When you click diamond, you see we have actually all the available here, point available here. I just highlight. You see diamond here. Here diamond, you see here we have diamond. Here we have four. Actually we have no, in the video we have four keyframings. 1 2 3 4 5. When you just here, you see one more here arrow here. You see here this point. When you click this arrow, you see I have clicked here. No, you can understand all in details. You keep 1 2 3 4. You transform here. Everything is here. You can see in details. Actually, you see our transform, zoom, position, center. What else we have used? We have all points are available here. This is actually curve. This we will learn in advance in the next class. Please follow, and in that class we will know. Now we will know about this diamond. Actually, this diamond keyframing, and we have just click here, then expand to this. You know. So you just remember this all these technical terms. When you just click here, you see this point. It means we have just disable all keyframings here. Now you play, you will not find any keyframing here. Actually, you see there is no keyframing. There is no change here because this the video is to default setting. The video was as earlier it is now, because we have disabled here keyframing. Actually here in the DaVinci Resolve, inside the clips, you can disable, enable, you can control every keyframing, which we used to control in Premiere Pro. Here in this window we used to apply in this window. Here it appeared our keyframing function, but in this feature in the DaVinci Resolve, just you inside our clip, you can everything you can control from here. It's a very convenient inside. Just you have to click here in the position. When you click once again, you can just close the keyframing settings. When you want to open setting, just click here. This you can understand. When you click here you can understand one more setting. You see, I have click here. So in this way you can change the setting. One more important thing I want to tell you. You see here, actually this setting, when you click here and select with your left mouse, and you can drag here, you can make your keyframing smoother and faster. Here you see here you can make faster. So our keyframing will be faster here. You see, in this way, when you will drag with your mouse from here to here, you see to right, you can enlarge your keyframing. No, keyframing will be smoother and enlarge here. You see, I just play. No, see, our keyframing will extend, will be longer. You see, In this way you can change here. If you want to just extend the keyframing here, you just click here and you can drag here, drag here to right here. Now our keyframing will be longer here, you see. Now I play here, it will be longer and smoother. You see, this keyframing is no longer here, smoother. You see this area is small. In this way actually you can, when you want to change the position of your keyframing, just click here. No, I want to make this keyframing faster. You see this is highlighted in red, means it is selected. No, I drag here, all zoom, position, center to rotation, all. You see I am dragging actually keyframing to here in the center. Actually our value will start from here. You see keyframing is also showing here minus 0 4 2 6. You see I have just drag here to know our keyframing is very near to other keyframing here. No, I just play and see the effect. We see the effect here. You see very fastly. You saw here, you observed very fast our keyframing ended. You see, once I show you. You see, once again I play. Actually in this way you can control, you can no, I will change to here, just there where it was here. No, I can just drag like this and we can change their position to here. Now our keyframing will be longer. This keyframing, they see this keyframing effect is longer now. In this way, in any of your footage you can change the keyframing, change the position. You can make larger large keyframing, a small keyframing. I just send here. Once I want to show you one more important thing, just I enlarge the footage. So what I will do, just click alt on your mouse, click alt, just you see, just click here, just alt, just hold alt. You see we have drag here, click. Now I will click alt and I can just place here. You see, means I can duplicate in this way. You can duplicate your keyframing very easily. Just hold alt once again, just select this footage and alt, drag, just select and hold alt on your keyboard and you drag here. You see, now we have duplicated the keyframing. The same effect we will here on the, you see our, when we just drag here, it's a keyframing time is showing here, time code is showing here. You see our time code is changing here at this point when I drag the player. You see, now in this time code actually 1 minute 5:20 at this time. You see we have actually changed the, we have added one more duplicate our keyframing here. You see, now I play and show you. No, so again we have same value has appeared here. Actually we have duplicated the key. In the same way you can duplicate here and any key. You see, if you want to duplicate here, for example, what I will do, I will select it and I will hold alt and drag it. You see, now here. Now at this point our time code on this 1:12:26, you see here timeline here in this time here we have changed or duplicated our keyframe. Now I see same effect will appear here too. You see, in this way you can apply keyframing here. You can duplicate the keyframing. You can just shift the position of keyframing, make larger, longer. In this way, you see I'm here. You can add this keyframing here. You can make it smoother in this way. Now I want to show you on cropping, how to another effect okay we can make. Actually we can use this keyframing in different, you see here for our different option here we have keyframing. In cropping we can add some beautiful keyframing here. What we will do, just I will apply. You see I have switch on the keyframing here on crop left, crop right. Now what I will do, our video will start here. I just add keyframing. When our video will come here, what I will do, I will just crop left here. You see, now in this way we can crop the left here. You see, we can crop down here, top here. we can crop in the same way. We can crop button. You see I am changing the value here. You can change when you just click here and press up. You see I am just in this way we have made the cinematic effects here. Now when our video will come here, we can make it to full. You see we can just crop like this. We can we can decrease, we can finish our keyframing here to, we will make to full, we can make here to up, we can just down. In this way you can use. You see now at this point I want to use, I want to use zoom effect. So what I will do, just click here and I will zoom our video. You see Devika will be in the center. If I want to make Devika to center here, I will just position here. You see I will click the position here, Devika will be in the center position. To left I will drag here. You see if I want to make position Devika will left here and up, you can just, for this we have to click here and don't forget to click this keyframing. And now here I will we will use the default hour. Just keyframing we will do to 1 point. So see I have just now I will position will be here, just here to our default position. So now we see the effect. You see crop effect has appeared in the video. In this way in your clips, I have just for demo purposes I have shown you how to make keyframing in the clips. In this way you can apply this same keyframing to your video footage. Then you will understand how to apply all this. Without practicing you can't understand. You have to practice, then you will understand this keyframing, because it's a very essential part of video editing. Keyframing in every professional video editing, this keyframing is very important to learn, and we must learn it from basic. Actually no, I have learned today in the advanced classes about keyframing. We will learn more advanced thing about keyframing. Actually we must know about all the basic before we move to our advanced course about keyframing. So this is the part 1, and next hour will be part 2 about keyframing. You just click here, you see here, you know, you can understand the value of keyframing as I have shown in the last video. You can disable keyframing from here. Dear friend, I think this is enough for today's class. Hello dear friend, we have finished the class today. Please write your suggestion in the comment box, whatever you want to make, what improvements do you want, and apply the same effects using keyframings in your clips. Then you will understand and you can make your video footage and video editing very advanced and more beautiful. In the next class, in the next part, we will learn about more advanced features and functions about these keyframing features. Don't forget to subscribe, write and comment, dear friends. Take care. Bye. We meet in the next class.